This episode of Will It Fit? We have FRS side skirts on a Mark III Supra.
I don't think it'll fit.
One for it won't fit.
Because where's the rest of the skirt gonna be?
Under the skirt.
Or is this
Double
like...
skirting.
Oh!
Skirting it up, dog. Yeah. Skirt, skirt.
Oh, hey, it fits. Are you gonna mount it though?
I gotta trim off. There's a little bottle here that I gotta trim off. Angle grinder. This side too, gotta do a little trimmy trim. Then we will be in Stance Town Magic.
I can't wait to see your diffuser on.
Woo! Yeah, it looks dope. Super dope. Oh my god, that looks good.
That looks really good.
Amazing.
I can't wait to see the whole... Wait, do you only have skirts and diffuser? What are you gonna do about the front?
I'm gonna get the eBay cannards.
Oh!
Go cannards! It's gonna go under here and then it's gonna come up like this.
Uh-huh.
The ones that go like shoop.
Did you already get them?
No, I have not.
Yo, Tango Cannards!
Damn.
Are you gonna work on your car today, Dane?
Yes.
Which one?
Probably the GS.
Whoa! The man's finally out. Dude, I haven't seen this car alive in so long.
It's been a long time.
Did you miss it?
Kind of makes me want to do a burnout.
Damn! This drift car has AC, has a head unit, has music.
Everything, bro.
What you doing, Dirk?
Just cutting the front bumper here so I can get a little more time for the front tires.
Oh. This is sick. When did he get all this? What the heck? This man's ready for the end of the world. If it's gonna break, it has to break now. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh my god. Dude, I miss that so much. Oh my god! Nostalgia ultra right there.
Crash for a second.
I know, I thought he was gonna die over there. Dude, yeah. I needed that so much. Oh my god, dude.
I was itching for that so bad.
I thought you were gonna crash for a second, dude.
No, what do I do?
God, this is that D&D smell I miss a lot. Oh, happy days are here again. What you working on?
Howdy. So today, I'm doing my steering rack bushings.
Just the bushing?
Yeah. So there are these guys here. So I'm guessing these are all shot because I've gotten alignment and both of my tires have really bad toe wear. So I know my tie rods are good because I replaced those recently. So next on the list is this with some solid ones. Get rid of all the slump.
Wow, why is there so many lines right there?
I don't know what they do. I know they're lines and they're long. They have some weird bends. They go to some places.
It does things.
Oh, that's easy enough.
Oh wow, sick.
Chillin', please sponsor us.
I think, wait, does it feel solid or squishy? Super squishy? No, I'm talking about the bushing itself.
Oh yeah, the bushing's soft and squishy. I do.
The way I did it was I took a drill and I just ate this shit up. Like I just drilled this whole shit up until like I saw the core, until the core was exposed, and then I just hammered out the core. Coming out, baby!
Hey.
Easy money.
Easy baby.
Easy money.
Oh, cool. That was easy. But the top one though.
Hey, you got it.
Gotta put my whole body weight into it.
Remember, we don't work on cars here,
We don't work on cars here,
but we work on cars.
but we don't work on cars here. Just barely. Okay.
So
So easy.
So easy money.
Thanks to Johnny for the idea to drill out the rubbers.
So easy money.
Like that. Just like that.
Just like
I have the new Bushings.
That's a salad. Damn, I wonder if you feel the difference.
I sure hope so. Alrighty, time to put this boy inside now.
What are you listening to?
Shopify? I mean Spotify. I always get those two mixed up.
So easy getting the bushing in out, huh?
So easy.
I actually never seen this system. Zip tie and bolt.
Yep, it's a special one. It's my patent.
Dang, I've never seen your car whole.
Me either. It's been so long.
Honestly love these days. GS is in the air. This boy's pretty much done. Just kind of waiting on the body parts. Montero is being worked on. And Dayne's GX is out here too.